What if I told you that the average SUV owner spends nearly $10,000 a year when you add up fuel, maintenance, insurance, and depreciation? It sounds unbelievable, but it's true, and most people don't even realize where the money is disappearing. But here's the good news. Not every SUV is a financial black hole. Some models are so tough, so well engineered, and so proven on the road that you could realistically buy one today and still be driving it 20 years later. So today on Fix or Flip, we're counting down 9 SUVs that almost never break down, the ones that protect your wallet, hold their value, and stay out of the repair shop. These are the SUVs you buy once and drive forever. Let's get into it. Kicking off the list is a fan favorite, the Subaru Outback, the SUV wagon hybrid that helped shape the modern crossover segment. What makes the Outback special is simple, rugged engineering without the drama. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system is one of the most stable, balanced, and long-lasting all-wheel drive systems ever built. Real-world data shows Outbacks routinely passing 250,000 miles, and with proper maintenance, 300,000 isn't uncommon. And unlike many brands that only offer all-wheel drive as an expensive upgrade, Subaru includes it standard, which means fewer questionable drivetrain combos, fewer issues, and less wear. Insurance companies also love this SUV thanks to its top Safety Pick Plus rating from the IIHS. Lower risk equals lower insurance premiums. As for maintenance costs, the Outback averages around $630 per year, which is well below the national SUV average. If you want the sweet spot for value, the 2020 model delivers the updated interior tech, modern safety features, and the improved 2.4-liter turbo engine that pushes 260 horsepower while still maintaining Subaru's legendary reliability. This is the crossover you buy when you want adventure, without the headaches. Next up is the undisputed king of compact SUVs, the Toyota RAV4, America's best-selling SUV. And trust me, this badge isn't just about popularity. It's about reliability, ownership, cost, and long-term value. Older RAV4s regularly cross 300,000 miles with minimal repairs, and the 2.5-liter four-cylinder found in most model years is one of the most bulletproof Toyota engines ever built. Annual maintenance averages around $450 to $550, and major repairs are extremely rare. But here's where the RAV4 really shines. Resale value. This SUV keeps its value better than nearly anything else in its class. If you buy a 4- or 5-year-old RAV4, you can drive it for years and still sell it for a surprisingly high amount. In fact, used RAV4s often sell for more than brand new rivals from Ford, VW, or Nissan. It's reliable, cheap to maintain, and financially smart. Basically, the SUV equivalent of a safe long-term investment. At number 7, we have the Acura RDX, one of the most underrated luxury SUVs on the market. Now here's the thing, luxury SUVs are usually famous for expensive repair bills, electronic failures, and high insurance costs. But the RDX? It's the complete opposite. From 2013 to 2018, it used the same legendary 3.5-liter Honda V6 found in the Pilot and Accord, an engine known for crossing 250,000 miles without major issues. You get a quiet interior, comfortable seats, great safety ratings, and Honda-level reliability wrapped in a luxury badge. And because Acura doesn't have the overpriced hype of Mercedes or BMW, depreciation is gentle. A used RDX can often be had for less than a Toyota RAV4, and yet it will outlast many luxury SUVs by a mile. Insurance rates are surprisingly low too, usually around $1,200 to $1,350 per year, which is significantly cheaper than equivalent luxury competitors. If you want the luxury feel without the luxury problems, the RDX is the sleeper pick. Sliding in at number 6 is the Hyundai Santa Fe, an SUV that has completely reinvented Hyundai's reputation. A decade ago, Hyundai wasn't always taken seriously in the reliability world, but times have changed. Today, the Santa Fe is one of the most reliable mid-size SUVs you can buy. 2 big reasons. Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, the best in the industry. Dramatically improved build quality and drivetrain engineering over the last decade. Real-world Santa Fe owners regularly report 200,000 plus miles with nothing more than oil changes, brake pads, and tires. Annual maintenance costs average around $575, and the SUV's fuel economy stays competitive in the mid-20s. Insurance is usually cheaper than rivals like Jeep or Chevrolet because the Santa Fe performs well in crash tests and has low repair costs. If you want a tough SUV without the Toyota price tag, the Santa Fe is a smart buy. At number 5, we're stepping into tank territory with the Lexus GX, the luxury SUV that refuses to die. Underneath the leather, wood trim, and quiet cabin is the heart of a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, a legend in the off-road world. The GX uses the ultra-durable 4.6-liter V8, one of the most reliable engines Toyota has ever made. GX models frequently cross 350,000 to 450,000 miles, and some overseas versions have gone past 600,000. Even though it's luxurious, the mechanical design is simple, overbuilt, and engineered for harsh driving environments. Now, yes, fuel economy isn't great. You'll see 15 to 17 miles per gallon, but in exchange, you get a vehicle that almost never fails. Modern GX models hold their value shockingly well because buyers know they can last basically forever. Maintenance averages $750 to $950 per year, which is extremely reasonable for a luxury V8 SUV. Repairs are rare, parts are widely available, and depreciation is minimal. If you want an SUV that feels like it's carved from a single block of steel, the GX is your weapon of choice. Cracking into the top 4 is a surprising pick, the Mazda CX-5. Mazda built this SUV for people who want more than just practicality. With sporty handling, a premium interior, and one of the most reliable 6-speed automatic transmissions in the segment, the CX-5 delivers an excellent driving experience without sacrificing dependability. Unlike many compact SUVs that use CVTs, which can be expensive to repair, the CX-5 sticks to a traditional automatic transmission that routinely lasts 200,000 plus miles. RepairPal gives it a 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating, and annual maintenance usually sits around $425 to $500. The interior feels more upscale than a RAV4 or CR-V, and the turbo versions offer a nice boost in power without compromising reliability. If you want a compact SUV that's fun to drive and cheap to own, the CX-5 is a hidden gem. At number 3, we've got the Subaru Forester, a compact SUV with a near-perfect reliability score. Consumer Reports give some Forester model years an incredible 98 out of 100, and owner surveys consistently report vehicles lasting well beyond 200,000 miles. Subaru's standard all-wheel drive system is one of the best in the world, and insurance rates stay low because the Forester scores extremely high in crash tests. Now, let's address the big topic, Subaru's CVTs. Yes, some older models had issues, but the modern Forester's CVT is solid as long as the fluid is changed every 30,000 miles. Do that, and this SUV will last you decades. Annual maintenance averages around $650, and resale values are excellent thanks to Subaru's dedicated fan base. Safe, reliable, fuel-efficient, and practical, the Forester checks every box. Taking the silver medal is the legendary Honda CR-V, the SUV that millions of American families swear by. The CR-V is one of the few SUVs on Earth that has documented cases of hitting 400,000 to 500,000 miles with no major engine or transmission rebuilds. The early 2.4-liter Honda engines are truly bulletproof, and even modern turbo models hold up extremely well when maintained properly. Fuel economy is another strong point, averaging 29 to 30 miles per gallon, which saves hundreds per year compared to bigger SUVs. Annual maintenance sits comfortably around $400 to $500, and insurance rates remain low thanks to Honda's outstanding safety ratings. The CR-V also holds its value incredibly well. After 5 years, it still retains roughly 60% of its original value, one of the highest in the industry. It's efficient, practical, and built with old-school Honda reliability. If you want something you can keep for decades, the CR-V is nearly perfect. And now, the number 1 SUV that almost never breaks down, the Toyota Highlander. If your goal is to buy one SUV and keep it for 15 to 20 years with minimal surprises, the Highlander is as close to a guaranteed win as you're going to get. It blends Toyota's legendary reliability with the practicality of 3 rows, excellent resale value, and extremely low ownership costs. The 3.5-litre V6 Toyota used for years in the Highlander is one of the most reliable engines ever made. Many Highlanders surpass 300,000 miles, and some even reach 400,000 plus with only routine fluid changes. Annual maintenance averages around $500 to $650, and insurance rates stay reasonable because the Highlander consistently scores top marks in crash tests. If you choose the hybrid version, you can see up to 35 miles per gallon, which crushes most SUVs in its size class. Resale value: it's among the best in America. You can often sell a 7-year-old Highlander for way more than competing models. If you want one SUV that checks every box: reliability, space, safety, fuel economy, and long-term value, the Highlander is the king. Here's the truth. Owning a reliable SUV isn't just about avoiding breakdowns, it's about saving years of money, stress, and time. A dependable SUV protects you from surprise repair bills, keeps insurance costs stable, holds its value, and lasts so long that you don't need to replace it every few years. Buying the right SUV isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in your future. So now I want to hear from you. Which of these 9 SUVs would you trust to keep for the next decade, maybe even longer? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this list, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart car buying guides right here on FixOrFlip, where we help you save money, avoid bad buys, and choose vehicles that go the distance.